Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, Adobic. Today I show you cinematic color grading in 1 minute. First step, go to File menu and select Open option and choose your image file. You can download this image download link mentioned in the description. Click on Adjustment Layer icon and take a color lookup adjustment layer. Now, choose 3D Loot File panel and set to Fall Colors Look. Set lookup opacity 100 to 50. Now, take a once more color lookup adjustment layer. This time set 3D Loot Horror Blue 3DL. Now set opacity 100 to 50%. Now take one more color lookup adjustment layer, select 3D Loot File to Tension Green 3DL and set opacity 100 to 60%. Now take one more color lookup adjustment layer. At this time, select 3D Loot File to Crisp Warm Look and set opacity 100 to 25%. Now take last color lookup adjustment layer, select 3D Loot File, choose Drop Blue 3DL and set opacity 100 to 60%. Now take a curve adjustment layer. Down the curve little bit. Now take an exposure adjustment layer. Set exposure value 0 to -0.1 and offset 0, gamma correction 0 to 0.95. Select all adjustment layer and click on group icon for group all adjustment layer. Now your cinematic color grading complete. Thanks for watching.